Good morning, students. Yesterday we have studied about lysosome. So, do you remember lysosome is one of the cell organelle which is present inside the cell cytoplasm. It is rich in digestive enzymes. Enzymes which will help in digesting other materials are called as digestive enzymes. And lysosome has greater amount of these destructive enzymes. If any material enters the cell or if it is present in the cell, these materials are taken up by the lysosomes, and once they are taken up by the lysosomes, the lysosomes will produce these digestive enzymes, and once these digestive enzymes are produced, they will damage the material and they will throw it out. So these lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell because they are engulfing the material, they are producing the enzyme, and they are damaging the material which is not required by the cell, and they are throwing it outside. Okay, let us today study about mitochondria. Okay, so mitochondria is also a cell organelle. It is present inside the cell. Mitochondria is a cell organelle present in the cell. Where? In the cell cytoplasm. I already told you all the cell organelles are present inside the cytoplasm. And mitochondria is also a one of the structure. Can you see here pink color? This is mitochondria. This is present in the cell cytoplasm. Cell contains many mitochondria. Not one, many mitochondria will be present inside the cells. What is the use of mitochondria? Mitochondria are the energy sources for the cell. So a cell will get energy source for a cell. That means cell will get energy because of mitochondria. So you call it as powerhouse of the cell. This is one of the question, very important question. Which is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Now how mitochondria looks, where it is present. Where it is present means cell cytoplasm. How it looks means mitochondria is a double membrane structure. That means it has two membranes. It is very small, spherical. Spherical means little round. Okay. Or you can call it a cylindrical. Cylinder, you know. So it is a small spherical structure which is present in the cell. How much it will be means you have to use a microscope to see the mitochondria. So you need a microscope to see the mitochondria. Microscope is required to see it. That means mitochondria, if you want to see, you require a microscope. Inside the cell, the mitochondria will be how much long means 2 to 8 micron long. Because it is very small, we use micron unit. So how much means 2 to 8 micron long and 0.5 micron width. Width means like this. Thickness. Okay, we'll draw mitochondria. I told you it is spherical. Okay, then it is double membrane. So this is one membrane, then you have one more membrane. Like this. So two membranes. This is outer membrane and this one is, so mitochondria is made up of two membranes. This is outer membrane and this is inner membrane. Okay, so length means like this. How much long is mitochondria? 2 to 8 micron long. How much is the width? Width means like this. 0.5 microns. Can you see? Here also. Can you see mitochondria? Now, how many mitochondria are present in the cell? There are nearly 100 to 150 mitochondria. So you have 100 to 150 mitochondria inside the cell. One cell will have 100 to 150 mitochondria. Okay. And if you want to see, you have to use a compound microscope. I told you have to use a compound microscope or electron microscope. If you are using, you can see inside of mitochondria also. If you want to see just like this mitochondria, you can use compound microscope. But if you want to see inside of mitochondria, you have to use the electron microscope. That will give you more information than compound microscope. Now can you see the inner membrane is thrown into folds. These are folds. So inner membrane is thrown into folds and you call these folds as cristae. Very important. Cristae. Cristae means inner membrane is thrown into folds and you are calling it as cristae. And if you see the gap or the space, whatever space is there between the cristae, you call this as matrix. Can you see this space? This is called as matrix. Matrix. Matrix is nothing but space between inner and outer membrane. And what is the use of mitochondria means? Mitochondria will help in respiration. I told you it is a powerhouse of a cell. That means it will undergo a process called as respiration. So respiration occurs in mitochondria. Respiration occurs in mitochondria. Aerobic respiration especially occurs in mitochondria. And that is the reason it is producing the energy. It will produce the energy. And mitochondria is a cell inside cell because it contains even DNA. Mitochondria has DNA present. So you can say mitochondria is a cell inside the cell because it is also having DNA. Can you see here? Cell is having nucleus and inside nucleus there is DNA. In the same manner, mitochondria also has a DNA. That is the reason you call this as cell inside cell. Mitochondria is a cell inside cell because it also contains DNA. It also acts as one of the cell. Okay. So you can write it is a cell. So it is a cell inside a cell because it acts as an independent unit. Independent unit means it does not depend on other organelles. It functions in a own way. So you call it as a cell inside cell. So this is the mitochondria. Okay. Outer membrane, Inner membrane is thrown into folds and you are calling it as cristae. Space between the outer and inner membrane is called as matrix, and DNA is present inside the mitochondria.